Thanks for joining us for this brief video tutorial about how to apply a partial lesson plan to your Homeschool Planet calendar. To apply a portion of a lesson plan, which you may want to do if you have already completed part of the curriculum or you already know your student has mastered that portion of it, to do so, you're going to go to the lesson plan library and locate the lesson plan you wish to apply. Choose the Apply This Lesson Plan button, and then in this case, I'm going to select Create a New Class because this is a new subject. Next, on the following screen, you'll find the option to either apply all assignments in the lesson plan or only the assignments I select. This is the option you want if you don't want, well, all the assignments. Next, you'll see a list of all assignments and a series of checkboxes. You can go through and eliminate certain assignments if you'd like, or in my case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start midway through the plan. So I'm going to pretend we've completed the first 70 days, and I would just like to go from there on. Next, I'm going to select the button that says Next. I'm going to choose my subject, which in this case is English. Select Next. I'm going to assign this to my student and select Next. I'm then going to choose the dates I would like it applied to. In this case, I do want to do this the remainder of this school year. I am going to take advantage of the grading that's been pre-entered. Select OK. And now my lesson plan will populate on the calendar, but you'll see it begins with Chapter 7 and the Chapter 7 test because that's where I asked the plan to start. That's all there is to it. Please let us know if you have any questions, and thanks for being a Homeschool Planet subscriber.